Hey guys, Brian Wilkerson, Director of Growth with the Dave Friedman team at Keller Williams. If your idea of marketing a listing is putting a sign in the yard and listing it on the MLS and then hoping for the best, stop right there, right? That's the 3 Ps of passive marketing, and it's leaving your sellers really, really frustrated. When you rely simply on those 3 steps, your listings tend to blend into the background. Days on market stretch out. Sellers pressure you to slash price, or even worse, you pressure the seller to slash price. And you're left in this situation where you are scrambling to prove your worth to your client getting their home sold. Sellers today expect more than they have in recent memory from listing agents. They want a plan that is built on data, non-stop exposure of their property, and guaranteed results. Without that, your listing sits, and your client's confidence declines very, very quickly. Here's how our enhanced marketing program changes everything for your listing clients. First, they get a one-on-one consultation with our home selling experts, right? You. That person's there to map out exactly where their listing needs to go, from audience targeting to ad time. Next, our AI predictive analytics steps in. Instead of dropping the price when showings tend to slow down, we analyze past sales data to pinpoint the buyers that are most likely to act for your client's listing. That means multiple offers coming through the door significantly faster. And that we can do all of that without cutting your client's price. Then we launch omni-channel engagement. Mind-blowing, right? Their listing runs on Facebook, Instagram, Google, email, text messages if necessary. Wherever buyers are spending their time, we want your client's home to be present. Consistent targeted messaging keeps their property front and center for the duration that we carry their. We don't stop there. We use retargeting and remarketing. These campaigns re-engage serious viewers, bringing them back to the property over and over again until they're ready to write an offer. On top of that, we secure Zillow Showcase placement. This is an exclusive benefit reserved to the 1% of real estate teams in the country. Their property appears at the very top of the highest searched real estate website on the planet every time someone searches for a home in that area. That drives qualified traffic straight to their door. And here's where it gets even better. Every agent on our team here at DFT gets access to our Sell 9 homes in 90 days. That means there's no cold calls, there's no door knocking, there's no sitting in open houses all weekend long, no longer walking into these cold networking events to try to drum up some business. You get warm, ready to go appointments delivered directly to your calendar. That way you can focus on the things that actually make you money. Showings, listings, closings, and commission checks. So whether you're a brand new agent or a seasoned agent that's looking to scale, this system is designed to meet you where you are. And then once we meet you, we're ready to help launch your career forward faster than you thought possible. We've seen agents from all backgrounds plug in and start winning with us immediately. So right now, we're only opening 7 spots for this month for agent partners who are ready to leave those 3 Ps, the passive Ps of marketing, behind and deliver the kind of results for their clients and for their business that they've always hoped for. If you're ready to win more listings, boost your income, and join a system that's helping our agents win every single month and consistently sell 9 homes in 90 days, then we want to hear from you. Visit DaveFriedmanCoaching.com, hit that link to schedule a confidential conversation, or feel free to give us a call at 800-843-2465. The leads are real, the system is proven, and the results speak for themselves. Let's go win together.